Is ___init___.py not required for packages in Python 3.3 plus? I am using Python 3.5.1. I read the document and the package section here, this URL. Now, I have the following structure. Module.py. Now, while in home Voyager playground. Similarly, now in home, superfolder of playground. Actually, I can do all kinds of stuff. Why does this work? Either there needed to be ___init___.py files, empty ones would work, in both A and B for module.py to be importable when the Python path points to the playground folder. This seems to have changed from Python 2.7. With __init___.py in both ~playground A and ~playground AB it works fine.
Python 3.3 Plus has implicit namespace packages that allow it to create a packages without an __init___.py file. Allowing implicit namespace packages means that the requirement to provide an __init__py file can be dropped completely and affected. The old way with __init__py files still works as in Python 2.
Overview. Mike's answer is correct, but too imprecise. It is true that Python 3.3 Plus supports implicit namespace packages that allows it to create a package without an __init___.py file. This is called a namespace package in contrast to a regular package, which does have an __init___.py file, empty or not empty. However, creating a namespace package should only be done if there is a need for it. For most use cases and developers out there, this doesn't apply, so you should stick with empty __init___.py files regardless. Namespace package use case. To demonstrate the difference between the two types of Python packages, let's look at the following example. Google_PubSub and Google_Storage are separate packages, but they share the same namespace Google/Cloud. In order to share the same namespace, it is required to make each directory of the common path a namespace package, i.e., Google/ and Cloud/. This should be the only use case for creating namespace packages, otherwise, there is no need for it. It's crucial that there are no __init__py files in the Google and Google/Cloud directories so that both directories can be interpreted as namespace packages. In Python 3.3 Plus, any directory on the sys.path with a name that matches the package name being looked for will be recognized as contributing modules and sub-packages to that package. As a result, when you import both from Google_PubSub and Google_Storage, the Python interpreter will be able to find them. This is different from regular packages, which are self-contained, meaning all parts live in the same directory hierarchy. When importing a package and the Python interpreter encounters a subdirectory on the sys.path with an __init___.py file, then it will create a single directory package containing only modules from that directory, rather than finding all appropriately named subdirectories outside that directory. This is perfectly fine for packages that don't want to share a namespace. I highly recommend taking a look at traps for the unwary in Python's import system to get a better understanding of how Python importing behaves with regular and namespace package and what __init___.py traps to watch out for. Summary. Only skip __init___.py files if you want to create namespace packages. Only create namespace packages if you have different libraries that reside in different locations and you want them each to contribute a sub-package to the parent package, i.e., the namespace package. Keep on adding empty __init___.py to your directories because 99% of the time you just want to create regular packages. Also, Python tools out there such as mypy and pytest require empty __init___.py files to interpret the code structure accordingly. This can lead to weird errors if not done with care. Resources. My answer only touches the surface of how regular packages and namespace packages work, so take a look at the following resources for further information. PEP 420 implicit namespace packages. The import system regular packages. The import system namespace packages. Traps for the unwary in Python's import system.
I would say that one should omit the __init__.py only if one wants to have the implicit namespace package. If you don't know what it means, you probably don't want it, and therefore you should continue to use the __init__.py even in Python 3.
If you have set up .py in your project and you use find_packages, within it is necessary to have an __init__.py file in every directory for packages to be automatically found. Packages are only recognized if they include an __init__.py file. If you want to use implicit namespace packages without __init__.py, you just have to use find_namespace_packages instead. Docs.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.